Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we make keto cooking fun, easy, and absolutely delicious. Today, I'll show you how to make the fluffiest, most amazing keto cloud bread. This recipe is perfect for those who miss bread on a low-carb diet. Let's get started. Ingredients you'll need: 3 large eggs, separated, 3 tablespoons of cream cheese,
softened,
1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Step 1. Prepare the egg whites. Start by preheating your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 150 degrees Celsius. Separate the eggs carefully, placing the whites in one bowl and the yolks in another. To the egg whites, add a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Using a hand mixer or a whisk, beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. This step is crucial to get that light and fluffy texture, so don't rush it. Step 2. Mix the yolks and cream cheese. In the bowl with the egg yolks, add 3 tablespoons of softened cream cheese. Mix this well until it becomes smooth and creamy. You can use a spatula or whisk for this step. Step 3. Combine the mixtures. Gently fold the yolk mixture into the egg whites. Be careful not to overmix. You want to keep as much air in the egg whites as possible. Use a spatula and fold until just combined. Step 4. Shape and bake. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and spoon the mixture onto the sheet, forming small rounds. Each should be about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. Leave some space between each round as they will expand slightly during baking. Bake in your preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Once done, let them cool for a few minutes before serving. And that's it. Fluffy, low-carb, and keto-friendly cloud bread is ready to enjoy. Use it as a bun for sandwiches or a base for your favorite spreads. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to check out the description below for a link to even more amazing keto recipes. Give this video a like, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious keto content.
See you next time.